In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paytm Business to Shopify. If you're running an e-commerce store on Shopify, integrating payment gateways like Paytm can streamline your checkout process and provide customers with a seamless purchasing experience. We'll go through all the steps you need to know, ensuring that you can confidently set up this vital business tool. First, let's start by logging into your Shopify account. To do this, head over to Shopify. Come and click on the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and you'll find yourself on the Shopify admin dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll manage your store's operations, and today, it's where you'll set up your Paytm integration. Next, you need to access the payment settings. On your Shopify dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings, located towards the bottom of the panel. Once there, you'll need to select Payments. This section contains various options for payment processing, allowing you to manage how your store handles transactions. With Paytm Business, you want to ensure it's ready for integration. If you haven't yet, create an account on Paytm Business by visiting the Paytm For Business website. Completing your registration might involve providing documentation, confirming your business identity, and setting up your merchant account. Once your Paytm Business account is operational, you will have access to necessary details such as your merchant ID and the merchant key, which are essential for connecting Paytm to Shopify. Now, back in the Shopify Payments section, scroll down until you find the option to Add Payment Method. Here, you will see a list of popular payment gateways. If Paytm is not pre-listed, click on the Select Additional Payment Methods button, and in the search bar, type Paytm. Securely enter the merchant ID and merchant key from your Paytm Business account. This links your Paytm payment gateway with your Shopify store. Ensure these credentials are accurate by double-checking your entries. Incorrect details can disrupt the payment process. After you've verified everything, click Activate to have Paytm as one of your store's payment processors. Immediately after activation, it's wise to test the integration. Navigate to your store's front end, add a product to the cart, and go through the checkout process, selecting Paytm as your payment method. Completing a test transaction will confirm that everything is working smoothly. Once your test transaction is successful, you're all set. You've connected Paytm Business to your Shopify store, allowing your customers to enjoy a smooth and secure checkout using one of India's leading payment gateways. Remember, providing diverse payment options increases your store's appeal and can enhance customer satisfaction, leading to potentially higher sales. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these simple steps, you ensure that your Shopify store is equipped with a reliable payment solution that meets your business needs. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!